Hi guys, Nasume here. Today we are making guacamole. This is my favorite dressing, spread, dip. You can basically use it for anything. It is so amazing, guys. It's made from avocados, chili, some onions, lemon, garlic puree, and then your seasoning, salt, parsley, and black pepper. See, very simple. Now ideally we are supposed to use coriander leaves, but those are not readily available where I am right now, so I find that parsley actually does a really good job and tastes amazing. So yeah, I'm going to substitute with some parsley. Now we're going to scrub our avocados properly with some salt and then take out the flesh. You cut it into small cubes so it makes it easier to mash it. See how amazing Nigerian avocados are. We are really enjoying in this country, Sha. Gosh, it is so creamy and organic, guys. We're enjoying it. You want to mash that up and then take your lemon, cut it into two, take out the seeds, and then squeeze the juice of half a lemon into your avocado. This just makes it, stops it from changing color and just makes it so light and airy, and gives it this amazing citrus flavor. And this is how the color is going to stay. It won't change brown. Okay, that's why lemon is important. You could also use lime as well. So yeah, take your chili, about a third of a chili, and then slice it into tiny pieces. You don't want big chunks of chili in your guacamole. It's very important to cut it into tiny pieces. Even your onions, you need to mince that as well. So you add your onions, just a little, about half of a small onion is fine for a large avocado. Now you want to add about half a teaspoon of your garlic puree, very important, and season with half a teaspoon of parsley, squeeze, some black pepper and some salt. Ideally you should use some sea salt, but Himalayan pink salt is amazing as well. So yeah, this is it. It's the most amazing dressing ever. You can use it for anything. See here, I'm having it with my wrap. I'm going to show you how to make that, guys. You have to try it. It's amazing.